50% of the shoreline has been lost to seawalls. With that, we're seeing loss of important ocean habitats and also pollution.
The researchers tell us that ridding the oceans of the world of plastic is pretty much impossible, and so we have to take a different approach and try stuff that's maybe a bit left field but actually has just the same benefits for the environment.
The Living Seawall tiles are designed to mimic the root structure of native mangrove trees in Sydney. So small geometries are etched into the design to give oysters, fish, algae and other organisms a place to live. We're using 3D printing technology to create a mould and then cast in concrete, reinforced with 100% recycled plastic fibres to create 50 tiles to install on an existing seawall structure in Sydney Harbour. The 3D printed texture is really good for oysters to colonise because it replicates the geometry of oyster shells. The Living Seawall will remain in the water for the next 20 years or so, improving biodiversity and water quality.
Frankly, it's an immense honour to work with industry leaders and to help pioneer this innovation and hopefully make for a safer, cleaner future. That's Scandinavian design, that's what we do, and that's who we are.